Hi, and welcome to Revive Me's Wellness Circuit. This is an instructional video on how to operate the equipment on your own if you would like to take advantage of our member Sundays. So here we go. This is for the PEMF therapy. You're going to start by pressing on off, top right corner. It'll run a quick system check to let you know it's okay. And then on the left side here, you see Relax, Basis, and Vital. Pick which program is your preference, and I can leave some further informational material on the benefits of each of these. And the intensity level, sensitive, medium, or intensive. And in the middle, you will see the timer. It goes in 8, 16, or 24-minute cycles. I generally just run it at the 24 because I do red light at the same time for 20 minutes. So when the red light is done, I let this run for another additional 4 minutes as I lay there, and then it stops on its own. So once you've made your selections of the program, the intensity, and the time, you can then press Start, Stop. And as you can see, it runs the timer on its own and shuts itself off when your session is done. This is the table with the red light and the PEMF therapy. So to run the red light device, just going to go around to the right side here, find the panel, and just hit the top button that says on off. It's already preset to run for 20 minutes. Just hop on the table, preferably expose as much skin as possible. So if you want to take your clothes off completely, that's the best way to get the best benefits. You can lay down a towel, wrap yourself up in my blanket, or even just throw on an additional sheet if you start to feel a little chilled. But the more skin you have exposed to the red light, the better. This is our infrared sauna. If there is not already a towel in there, feel free to grab one from the cabinet to the right here. Place the towel down on the chair because you will need it. You are going to produce probably a healthy amount of sweat. To operate this, it's just a dial-up timer. It goes all the way up to a max of 30. You turn the dial, and then this runs on itself, shuts off when the timer is done. This is the on-off, but I usually just keep it on and switch the dial on and zip yourself in. So you get inside, zip yourself up, and as you can see, there are some armholes. So if you want to sit in there, read a book, be on your phone, you can do that. It's your choice. Or you can zip it up completely with just your head exposed and produce a lot more sweat, probably even quicker. But it's, again, your session. Use the time as you wish. And here we have the vibration plate. It has controls right on the panel here, or there's a remote control. So it's already powered on. You can adjust the speed on the right on the remote, speed on the right on the panel, timer on your left. It has a default, I believe, of 15 minutes. So you select your intensity, adjust the time if you feel like it, and then the start stop button is right here on the remote. Start stop on here. They also have pre-programmed modes, so you don't have to touch the remote, and it'll take you up and down in intensity levels. Also take advantage of this handy reference poster to get some inspiration on different ways to utilize the vibration plate. It's a great workout. It'll shake out the tension in your body, get the lymphatics flowing, and you'll feel great.